Hello Librans, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and let's see what are the messages regarding what's blocking your path. So in this video we'll see what's blocking your path and let's see what that is. For the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what's blocking your path, Librans. So we have the Five of Swords, the Six of Cups and the Chariot. So there has been a fight and an argument here. There has been somebody has been very bossy, trying to have their own way, trying to be dominating, and because of which the people you were working with have really left you. Okay, so you find yourself being alone there. You want to reconcile, you want to be with them, you want things to move forward, but I really don't feel that you are doing anything about it. Okay, so the action which is supposed to be taken to correct this fight or this situation which has happened between both of you, this is inhibiting or stopping that reconciliation or that happy time which you were enjoying with this person or with this team at some point in time. Okay, so because of a volatile action or something harsh which has been said, something of that sort, the beauty of your teamwork or beauty of your collaboration, the beauty with which you were working with your people has been spoiled. Okay, and because of that the progress is hindered. The progress, the speed with which you could move forward, the progress with which you could take actions and make your life move forward, that collaboration, that teamwork, that trust, that honesty, those things have been lost here. Okay, so you need to get back to the situation, you need to correct those things, you need to reconcile with those people so that you are able to move forward or in a proper way, and so that you can progress forward in a proper way. Okay, so you need to correct this situation, whatever it was with the Five of Swords, whomsoever people you've lost for some argument, okay, for some ego, for being arrogant, something of that sort. You need to reconcile with those people, get back to them, mend the situation, and then you can progress forward. So Librans, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.